Good morning, everyone. Myself, Vaibhav Joshi from Jaipur Institute of Management, and today I'll be sharing some knowledge of marketing management, which I've learned when I was doing a project on Cafe Coffee Day. So here, I'll be covering some written content over here. First, I'll be covering the introduction of the company. After that, targeting audience, marketing mix, SWOT analysis, Porter's analysis, competitors, and the problem faced by Cafe Coffee Day. So let's talk about the introduction of the company, that what if CCD. Vijay Siddhartha started the cafe chain in 1996 when he incorporated Cafe Coffee Day Global, which is a parent of Coffee Day. It was a venture started by a young entrepreneur. The first CCD outlet was set up on 11 July 1996 at Brigade Road, Bangalore, Karnataka. It rapidly expanded to other cities in India with more than 1,000 cafes open across the nation by 2011. In 2010, it was announced that the consortium led by Kohlberg Kravis Robert would invest 1,000 crore in Coffee Day resorts owned by the company. The same year, the logo was also changed, and currently it has been same logo over the years, which the company stated showcase as the chain as a place to talk. This was done with the major changes in the layout of the store, including the addition of the lounges. The largest producer of Arabica beans in Asia, exporting to the various countries, including the US, Europe, and Japan, also grew coffee in its own state of 20,000 acres. The young entrepreneur Vijay Siddhartha has mission and vision. Mission was to be the best coffee chain offering a world-class coffee experience at low price. They have segmented their audience in particularly two manners. First is working profile and age group. In working profile, they have segmented in professionals, students, and others. Basically, they have target audience who work in metropolitan cities like Tier 1, 2, and 3, and the metropolitan and metro cities, which has revenue higher than 100 crores, in which the students are 66%, professionals are 27%, and others are 7%. And in the age group, their age group lies between 15 to 29, in which about to 30% is 9%, about 19%, around 23%, 35%. Let us talk about the marketing mix. What is marketing mix? It is a majorly acquired balance chain by the firm and organization to fulfill their goals, in which basically four P's are considered, which is product, price, promotion, and place. Let's talk about product. It offers in both ways. It offers food, beverages. Along with that, it offers services. In food beverages, they have fresh Indian coffees, and as compared to other products, like India is favorably considered as a tea loving country. But by the introduction of this venture, these outlets has bring out the change acquired by the country people, and coffee has made its place by this. Their best-selling product in summer is frappe and cold coffee. In winters, cappuccino is the best seller. As in, we talk in the service where they provide ambience. Along with that, they have a particular space for the entrepreneurs who are looking forward to start their own ventures. And by doing that, they have shortage of money. So by providing service in the sense of in the sense of an ambience or place that they can work. So this company works in both manners. After that, we would be trying, I would be covering what is price. So when this venture started, it came up with such a eye-catchy prices like 69, 79, and 99. And it is basically dependent upon the metropolitan cities. Like if the location is in highly posh area, then the price would also be increased. As considering the CCD knows its major customer base is around 15 to 29, so it has tried to drive a policy where it can satisfy all the customer. The price for a cup range from 80 to 130 rupees. So there has been a consecutive increase in price also over the years. Price position on the basis of cafe lounge and scope, which I'll be discussing further. So let's talk about the place. Cafe coffee day outlets are majorly working in metropolitan cities, as I've already told you. These are the primarily working in shopping malls where kids and young student, young generation are targeted because these students they get to hang out or meeting to chit chat or some sort of party plan. They can offer these places. They can look after these places. Along with that, they have organized the situation, the machines that would be working in the kiosk colleges and school, because these are the major targets, and that's how they can generate their revenue. Cafe coffee the premium lounges for the corporate meetings are, like we can see nowadays, by providing ambience and good atmosphere could generate you revenue, and along with that the meeting can be possibly done. Cafe coffee day squares are for the birthday and group parties and group celebrations. For the promotion, Cafe Coffee Day use promotional and advertising strategies. It promotes in widely variety of ATL and BTL. It promotes themselves on commercials, television commercials. For example, back in the year 90s, they have started their venture. They promote themselves on a famous show named as Friends on Z English. Along with that, they have featured themselves in some movies named Khaki and Mehuna. Also, they have offered the Cafe Coffee Day Citizen Card, in which they provide special discount to their regular customers. Let's talk about the SWOT analysis of this company. They have started this coffee culture in nation India, where tea is more preferably considered as compared to coffee. Then excellent brand. They have brand visibility, huge brand crowd as target audience, excellent ambience and services, over 1,500 outlets and 30,000 visitors. It produces the coffee it serves, hence reducing the cost also. They have weaknesses also. They have plenty of outlets. It is hard to manage all the outlets with the same quality and same desired values. They have employee turnover 9% because they doesn't consider their jobs as permanent, resulting in poor commitment. They have internal issue. Along with that, the ground management, improper sitting arrangement, lack of strength to maintain brand loyalty and follow the competition is their major failure. But they have some opportunities like FOFO model, in which the franchisee owned and franchisee operated model provides the franchisee hands-on operations, sales and marketing of the franchisee can be covered by themselves. Along with that, there are some threats also. The entry of foreign players like Starbucks, Barista, these are the competitors, so which are hampering the business of Cafe Coffee Day, dependent on government commodity rates and large unorganized market. Let's talk about the Porter's five forces, in which I'll be telling about how these traits are harmful or beneficial for the CCD. The threats of new entrants is pretty much low. As we can see, there are only few new entrants like Starbucks, Barista. But there is a threat of high substitute because they can be substituted very easily. Supply is also lower, and buyer's power is also high. Industry rivalry is totally on cloud 7. So here are the competitors from Starbucks, Barista, and Costa Coffee. After the FDI, they have pretty much a clear way to invest in India. So that's why this is being a hampering situation for the CCD. The problem statement. After the death of Vijay Siddhartha and CEO of Cafe Coffee Day, the whole nation was shocked, as nobody was aware of the problem of huge debt on CDL. After the suicide attempt committed by Vijay Siddhartha, it was difficult for Cafe Coffee Day to survive in the market, and last year they have faced 190 crores of loss. After his death, his wife taken position of CEO of the Cafe Coffee Day, and after that they are looking forward to improvise their services, improvise new promotional strategies, and somehow they can capture the market they have lost by competitors and over the failures of a consecutive chain of uh, mishappenings. So that's all from my side. I hope I have delivered some little glimpse of marketing management. Thank you so much.